right now with breaking news.
And welcome to News 3 at 4. My name is Anthony Sabella. We do have a lot we're following as we come on the air this afternoon, but we do begin with breaking news just into our newsroom. This is out of New York City. You're looking live at a scene where we've learned a helicopter has crashed into the Hudson River. You can see plenty of crews are responding there. The fire department in New York said it received the report of the crash less than an hour ago, a little after 3:15, and units are now trying to rescue the people who were inside that helicopter that crashed. Right now, no official word on injuries or fatalities or anything like that. This is all very, very new. So we are still, of course, working to learn more, and we'll keep you updated throughout this broadcast as any new details come in. All right, bringing it back here at home, taking a live look over the Virginia Beach ocean front. You can see a nice end to the afternoon. Blue skies over the Atlantic Ocean there looking pretty good. And the good thing is, since this time yesterday, temperatures are a little bit warmer, so feeling maybe a little bit more spring-like. Forecaster Dara Getter here is here to talk about how things are shaping up as we head into the evening. Dara, lots of folks headed home from work and